Hello guys, this is Jay from the Xcode, and I know I haven't been posting lately, but I'm back again and running. The reason I was off YouTube is because I was busy with school, work, and family, and the holidays came along, and the New Year, and yeah, I was busy with all that. And which, by the way, I hope you guys had blessing time with family, and ready for the 2018 and uh, ready to crush 2018. Anyways, I'm back now and I have a lot of content to push out. So stay tuned. Some of the topics I'll cover are first I'll finish up the beginner introduction to Python, and then I'll go over the OPP Python, object-oriented Python, and then later I will show you a couple of ways to build desktop apps with Python and Tkinter library. Then I'll make some tutorials for web scraping, and I also will build a small Flask application and introduce you to SQL relational database. And I have lots of free resources for you to share with you guys. If you need any help with anything you're doing, whether it's Python, Java, or web development, I have a great resources for you. So stay tuned. I'll put links for all the resources in the upcoming videos. So yeah, guys, uh, I hope you're having a good time. Stay tuned, and I'll see you later.